Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna upcoming with the newly arrived concepts and collections in the print variety. I'm just gonna show you in this video. My only request to you too that always I have to say that watch the video from start to till the end. First of all, in my hand these kind of beautiful concepts like Galaxy Lycra. If the camera gonna be zoomed, then you can be know that the ranges will be 339. I'm gonna be mention the ranges because the many of in the peoples in the comment sections, they are already getting eager about the price range. Many of the that price range will be the change if you're gonna be visit, that the online range will be the different and the offline range will be the different. Then there is not gonna be change. You have to just come and visit our company. For all the, either you will be the wholesaler, either you will be the reseller, or either you will be the trader. The price range for all will be the same, so don't worry. Just the GST concept will be add on this, but nothing than that. The price range will be changed. You will be get this kind of very beautifully sticky silver stones work. You will be getting this kind of velvet upping border concepts, and the silver jaried complete pattern you will be getting this kind of concepts. Take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number, whatever the product you will be like. And in these kind of different 6 to 7 color shades also you will be getting here on. See, I'm just gonna be showed only the samples and collections videos. Many of the items like, see, these kind of weight concepts, semi weightless concept. Range will be the 385 rupees only. 8 pieces you will be get. Let me remind you once more, we may not provide you single pieces. You have to purchase in a set wise. In each set, 6 to 7 different color shades will be the come. And whenever I mention the catalog, then you will be get this kind of beautiful article which gave you proper idea about that whatever the pieces, how many look, what will be the look of the total available products in the sets. You will be get this kind of concept also. See, let me open you for one pieces that you will be get whatever the idea that how is the total look of the sarees. See, and when I have to carry, this is going to be very weightless concept. That was the mention will be the range of the these kind of concepts will be semi weightless concepts. See, these kind of very beautiful concepts will be mentioned or according to these kind of concepts. See, all the colors will be different on the screen, but let me remind you, either whatever the color difference or the product will be damaged or any of the defective items you will be get, then we can exchangeable also. Rather than that, all the responsibility of the product till the product will be reached your doorstep, all the responsibility of the product will be ours. So no need to worry that what will be the range, how many will be the, how will the product will be received to you, and we provide worldwide shipping also. If you are interested, then please come and visit our company once in a while to get all the idea that how many different sections or collections we are providing here. See, these kind of 25 to 30 different ladies wear category you will be get at under one roof, which you name it Kesaria Textile Company. So guys, any of your queries will be like, yeah, I remember that many of people in the comment section, they are commenting that what will be the minimum purchasing amount that you have to purchase or invest in this kind of textile industry. Let me tell you, there will be the 30,000 or 50,000 in Indian currency. You can, many of our customers from the abroad like Mauritius or Australia or Germany or Berlin, they are come with, first of all, they visit in this kind of company. In many of the textile industry, they are saying that we are the manufacturer, but they are not, they are just the traders. And if you interested to contact very rareful and original manufacturing company, then this is the place for you. So guys, in this video, that's all the collections you will be liked, I think. Then please, any of your queries will be left, then please give me in your comment sections. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care, goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।